Hello, Twisters! I am in the process of doing some of my photo work for some of my latest designs, and I just wanted to give you all a little sneak peek of something I just loaded up onto my Etsy shop. I've made two sets here. Yes, these are going to be sold as sets. I've got the bracelets and the dangly earrings. I think these are amazing. Look at these. You've got the silver and you've got the copper tone. Um, Look at that. Isn't this brilliant? By the way, the hooks on the earrings are sterling silver. Everything else is made of alloy metals, but the hooks are sterling silver 925 and they're marked as such. So, two sets to go around. These are going to be 7 inches, probably adjustable, somewhere between 7 and 8 inches. If you need to go a little small, well, you got plenty of little hoops to do that. And if you need something custom, of course, as always, I can do that for you. So you better get these while the getting is good, because I'm telling you what, I don't think these are going to last too long. Enjoy.